everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial about AgentForce Builder, where we will learn how to modify AI agents. AgentForce is a proactive, autonomous AI platform built into Salesforce that can act as a virtual team member for your organization. In this tutorial, we'll explore AgentForce Builder, a point-and-click interface for building AI agents. It allows us to define an agent's role, knowledge areas, and tasks it can perform. You can leverage existing Salesforce assets like flows, Apex, or APIs to give your agent real powers. In other words, you describe what the agent should do in natural language and connect it to actions, and AgentForce handles the AI reasoning in between. Let's take a look at some key features in AgentForce Builder. So first, I will show you how to access AgentForce Builder. You can see that right now I'm on the home setup page. So when we want to access agents, just type agents in the quick find search bar and click agents. If you cannot see agents in setup, check out our previous video to learn how to enable it. Right now we are in the agent studio, and when I scroll all the way down, you can see that I have one default agent here. It's called Einstein Copilot. So one way of accessing the AgentForce Builder is by clicking this drop-down arrow, then click Open in Builder. The other way is clicking the name of our agent, which brings us to the agent details page, where we can modify the agent and also open it in Builder, clicking this button. You can see that on the left, we have a menu. The first item is topics, then there are context, then knowledge, language settings, and event logs. If we want to modify some details of the agent, we need to deactivate it first. Now you can see that there's a new button. So let's start with topics. Topics are like categories or skills for the agent. So if we want to add a new topic to the agent, just click the new button, and then we can choose whether to create a new topic from the scratch or whether to import one from the topic asset library, which includes pre-built topics for common use cases. We can even choose more topics at once and finish. If we want to modify topic details, we can easily click the name of the topic. You can see that this was a pre-built one, and that's why it's not possible to modify it, but I can create a new version that kind of copies all the fields, and this one I can already modify and adjust it as needed. Each topic has a name, which is the topic label. Then we have classification description that tells the agent when to use this topic. The AgentForce reasoning engine can detect user intent and call a topic that aligns with that intent. The next item is scope, and scope defines what an agent is able to do within the parameters of this topic. And then we have instructions that provide details of the job the agent performs. Instructions can also act as guardrails for the agent to work within. You provide these instructions in plain language that guide the agent's behavior in that area. And when we scroll all the way back up, you can see that the topic also has actions. Actions are things your agent can do in Salesforce. For example, create a record, send an email, or run a flow. You can assign actions to each topic, so the agent knows what steps it can take to fulfill a request. Another item in the menu is context. In context, you can view and edit variables and session context that powers your agent. You can add new actions by clicking the new button and again select whether it's a new action or whether it's an action from an asset library, or you can also leverage agent exchange. Agent Exchange is a growing ecosystem of reusable agent components, including topics, actions, and complete agents, which allow you to import assets from Agent Exchange directly into your org. It's like App Exchange for AI agents. Then the next item that we will learn about is context. In context, you can view and edit variables and session context that powers your agent. Variables that you can see here are created to store actions output value. Custom variables can be used in filters and as input for actions. You can also see the details of the variable clicking here. You can see include in prompt checkbox. This option lets you decide whether to include a given variable in the agent's prompt when generating a response. You can use this to ensure the most relevant data is passed to the AI for generating accurate replies. The next item is knowledge. In knowledge, you can upload or edit knowledge articles or other documents to personalize your agent's interactions. But to be able to use this feature, the data cloud is required. Below, we have the language settings. In language settings, you can select the default language and optionally enable multi-language support. The agent can switch languages dynamically based on user input, or you can configure multiple agents for different languages. You can also change the tone of the conversation to match your business style. And the last item I would like to show you is event logs. AgentForce Builder provides logs so you can track how the agent handled different requests. Use these logs to debug issue, audit actions, and improve agents' responses. You'll see timestamps, decisions made by the AI, and any triggered flows or escalations. You've probably already seen the live conversation preview pane on the right. This lets us watch the agent's reasoning step by step and refine its behavior before going live. Once we are done with the changes, we just click Activate to activate the agent. And that is all about AgentForce Builder interface. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a new agent. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thank you.